Let's try Naga pepper. This is a pepper that's popular in Bangladesh. This smells like it's gonna hurt. Okay, yeah. I feel a bit of the burn on the sides of my tongue. It's almost a bit fruity. It's not as spicy as the green Thai chili pepper. Another thing that I see a lot in Bengali supermarkets is this paste called Mr. Naga. Oh, I don't know about that one. That one kind of reminds me of the Carolina Reaper. It's that smell is really, it just smells like death almost. Hold on. Oh, that's giving me PTSD, I swear. Try a bit of it. Hopefully it doesn't taste like the Reaper. I swear I hate that. Okay, that's not bad. I think this is a pickled spice, that's why. This is more of an achar. And I'm assuming they have some sort of spice in here because I can taste something. It's not really like the Reaper, but it does smell like it, which I don't like. But it does have a good taste. I can definitely see myself putting this chili on a lot of stuff. But I think I would still prefer the green Thai chili pepper in a lot of the dishes that we use. But on a spice scale, I would rank this. Let's say the Carolina Reaper is 10 and a bell pepper is 1. I would say this is like a 5.7 out of 10. You know, it has a bit of spice, but nothing crazy. You know, like I'm not even sweating right now and I'm not crying. So it's doable.